In this section, we will cover using Garmin Face It. This feature allows you to use your own photos as a watch face. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app. Then install our Garmin Connect IQ app to your compatible smartphone. Then open the Connect IQ Store app. Select Face It. Select the plus icon to choose a photo for the background. Select either camera to take a new photo or photos to search your smartphone. After you add your photo, select your watch face layout. You can pinch to zoom the photo or press and hold to move it. Data fields on a watch face can be moved by touching and dragging them where you want. You can also press Add to add more data fields to your watch face design. Select Time to change the time layout and the accent colors. Then select a color. Once you are finished, select Save to name your watch face. Select Install to download it to your watch. Once the automatic sync is complete, it will be displayed on the watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.